What's up, guys? Today I'm showcasing fucking Kronos. Right here you can see the home screen. This shit took me a fucking month to build. We got the inject button right here. We got the minimize button. We got the X button. And right here you can type in your username. You could put in a fucking, let's just do for example Roblox. You gotta type in Roblox, and it's just gonna pop up. For me, my username is whiteboy12308. Why the fuck did I turn into a girl? Alright, I got this shit settled. And you can put the kill Roblox to kill the fucking inject the process. It says running because I just ran it shit 13 minutes ago. I'm not sure if the FPS is unlocked. I don't know if this works good. I haven't tried it. You can see my injected scripts right here. The most recent ones. You can run it and do whatever the fuck. Right here you have the notes. Oh, I forgot to mention too, if you click the icon on the top left, it does this little fucking animation, fucking whatever the fuck this is. I don't know what I added. Here we can see the Executor tab right here. Right here is where the scripts go. You got your execute button, the clear button. You can save a script, and then you can load a script from either your documents or the save scripts that you have in another tab that we'll get into. We have the Kronos AI. You can tell it to make you a script, make ESP, and it'll just type it in like that, and then you can copy it or execute it into the game. And then right here we have the scripts, the script hub. You can choose from script blocks, R scripts, and Kronos. Working on the Kronos one, I had to manually add my own scripts in. We can switch between key lists and keys, and then you can just fucking type in whatever you want. Type in prison life, and you'll get prison life. Right here we have the hub. Funny. You have dark decks and all this other shit. I added a bunch of FE scripts. I'm not sure if they work either. We're gonna find out in a little bit. Right here we have the MISC tab. You could change your walk speed, jump power, and all that other shit. Protections, if you don't want to get fucking flinged from the base plate all day, you got toggle that shit on. I added a music panel, whatever the fuck this is. You can add your songs in here if you would like. Added players too, so whenever you inject, it's gonna grab the player list and display it right here. The Kronos effects I'm still working on right now. Basically you toggle it on, and it should make your whole game theme purple. What the fuck? We have the chat tab. You can chat with anybody using Kronos. For example, I say hi. Messages is right there. It's still a work in progress, but it's getting there. You got your DMs, and you can friend people. Add them a friend, whatever. And then you can make a group chat if you would like. We have our servers right here. You can make your own server, but really it's for games and stuff. You can join a server and find your people like that. And then right here we have the info tab. This is the boring shit, but you can see the owner, which is me. This is a revamp from the 2021 project. I made this shit 5 years ago, but I discontinued it because my source got leaked. For the settings, we have our workspace, the auto executes, and all of that. You can mess with that on your own time. You can restart the Kronos app. You can put it to always on top, auto inject. The Discord RPC does work. I'll show you that in a little bit too. The notification sound, I'm working on that right now. Open sound. Our startup right here. You can restore the last page you're on. So if you're on scripts, it's gonna go to that page. You can put your default page whenever you open Kronos. You can exclude it from the AV, so you don't get a virus detection. This shit does not have a virus. It's just a false positive. You have your accounts right here. This is my main account right here. You can add whatever account that works. You can remember the password if you want to put a password on it. You don't have to. The chat stuff right here, it does not work right now. I'm fixing that up too. You can block a user from the chat. I'm working on the chat right now. It's kind of in progress. The developer stuff, that doesn't work for shit. the reset to all advanced settings, to default. That works. Alright, let's get to a fucking game. Now I do have this shit on auto inject, so we are using the Medium API, but I'm gonna take that shit off in the official release and use our own. Alright, now that everything's injected, let's go to the scripts. Let's just go ahead and use this FE sad shit. Is this supposed to be fucking sad? That's gonna wrap up the video, guys. Make sure to hit that fucking like button and hit the fucking subscribe button. Alright, I'm gonna be at your fucking door. Just make sure to join the server and yeah.
Jeffrey Epstein.
Yeah, I came in with the saw. Yeah, I came in with the saw. Bitch, I play red raw. Yeah, bitch, I play red raw.